Once the backlog is prioritized and estimated, we do release planning. Release planning essentially gives us an opportunity to bucket features that what we want to do within this release and upcoming 1 or 2 releases. As part of the release planning process, we take the stories or user stories and bucket them into multiple sprints, sprint 1, 2, 3, 4 in this case. We bucket user stories into the respective sprints basing on a concept called velocity. Velocity essentially means the sum of the story points of those stories that the team finishes successfully. That is actual velocity. Planned velocity is what the team can plan within the sprint. In this example, story A, B, D, the team has picked respectively 5 story points, 5 story points and 3 story points. That means 13 story points worth of work the team has picked up in sprint 1 of this release. So the planned velocity of the team is 13 story points. At the end of this sprint, they might finish only 10 story points. So the actual velocity of the team would be 10 story points in that case.